Hello and welcome back. Keep it simple short. Join&coin here. Thanks for your support. All right, short update for Vechain. Vechain, we talked in my last update that, targets to the upside was 3.5 cent, the first target. The only big tier above. And we also said if the 2.955 cent are holding. So we came down to this support at around 2.95. And then, Vechain was not able to break out from here. Instead of it was building here a kind of head and shoulders formation. If we measure here the target from this head and shoulders, we almost are perfectly reached here. You can say the target to the downside at around 2.73 cent. So while Vechain was building this head and shoulders in the very short term, you can also say that this is a falling wedge formation, which is a bullish continuation pattern. So we would want to see here a breakout of this downward sloping of this falling wedge. And on the 4-hourly, also the RSI had a breakout here on the 4-hour RSI, and the price had a breakout and is now coming here for a retest. EMA 200 is holding for now. And daily time frame also here, the RSI is in an uptrend, would have a lot of room left here. You got a low, a high, a higher low, a higher low. That's the question. If this is holding, we would have a lot of space here for continuation. Therefore, what we also want to see holding now here, you can see here on the daily coming the EMA 50, the yellow line, holding this support here, which also got resistance at around 2.73 cent before we had here the sell-off to the downside. Very short-term targets for Vechain. Well, in the very short term, if this is not holding here, the 2.7 cent, then back to levels at around 2.5 in this region. One more time here. And if we see a breakout, here of this falling wedge, then into 2.955, then next target 3 cent, and above 3 cent, basically 3.3 cents. So the measured target of this falling wedge would be here at around back to 3.3 cent. And then we have to see how the market is reacting, and also Bitcoin, and especially the stock markets this week because of the downgrade of the United States of America. All right. This was my short update for Vechain. Like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. I wish you a wonderful day, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.